Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Notion database to Slack alerts, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the database you want to connect to Slack. Ensure the database is structured in a way that allows for meaningful alerts. Next, open your Slack application or website. In Slack, go to the workspace where you want to receive alerts. Click on the Apps option in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Notion and select the Notion app from the search results. Follow the prompts to connect your Notion account to your Slack workspace. You may be asked to sign in or authorize Notion to access your Slack. After authorization, return to your Notion database. Look for the Share button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. In the sharing options, invite Slack as a new member. Select the specific Slack channel you want to connect. Once the integration is set up, navigate back to Slack. In the designated channel, type a message that includes the command for alerts. Define the parameters for the alerts based on your needs. For instance, you may want alerts for updates or new entries in the database. Test the connection by making a change in your Notion database. Return to your Slack channel and check for the alert. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a notification in Slack. Adjust the alert settings in Notion as necessary for your preferences. Now, you have successfully connected your Notion database to Slack for alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.